Here the question is to arrange the hydrates of group 16 elements in increasing order of their boiling points. And we have to provide the reason as well. And we also need to name the hydride which is most stable thermodynamically. The boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid is converting into its vapor form, and it is completely depends on the intermolecular interaction. Intermolecular interactions are of several types, and the important one is van der Waals interaction and hydrogen bonding. Among the hydrides except water, all the other hydrides are connected by the intermolecular interaction, that is van der Waals forces. But in case of water molecule, due to the high electronegativity of oxygen, there will be a hydrogen bonding, that is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This intermolecular hydrogen bonding is stronger than the London forces or van der Waals forces. So we can say the force of attraction between the water molecules will be highly stronger than that of the other hydrides. So we can arrange those hydrides, that is the less boiling point will be for hydrogen sulfide and the higher value will be for water. Because all the other hydrates contains only van der Waals interaction, but water contains both van der Waals interaction and hydrogen bonding. And the hydrate which is most stable thermodynamically is water. The bond dissociation energy for OH bonds in water is higher. The electronegativity of oxygen leads to the strong bonding between oxygen and hydrogen atoms and result a very stable compound.